Okay, it is September the 12th at about 6:45 p.m. I have finally finished with today's project, and this is the reason that I work so hard, because I love this view and the property too. So let's take a look at what happened today. Today was kind of a big deal. I've been talking about the pit since June when we started excavating. Today we covered the pit. Today I did all the subfloor work after I got inspected at about 11 o'clock this morning. And now we no longer have a hole. Well, we do, but there's a little access hatch right here that I covered right here. So there's my little ladder. So I'm sure you guys remember seeing the hole. All the hole's gone. Now we just have subfloor. Now there is a little height difference in my home, and the wing over there, that was the 2004 project. The floor is the one step higher. So here, it's not quite one step higher, but I still have finished floor to put on top of here. And we have a couple grade changes in our old house. So today was a really long day. I started at 5:45 cleaning up because I can't swing a hammer or make any noise until about 7:30. I got up and moved some of this wood. By the way, these joists, these floor joists, they look like little I-beams. These are called TJI 360s, and they were spec'd out on the plan. And I guess I had the opportunity to use something called MicroLambs, and it turns out that after reading, it's made by Weyerhaeuser, and it turns out after reading about it, they are kind of a pain in the rear to install. Short version is there are a lot of extra little things that you have to do in order to keep them strong when tying into other beams, making joints, etc. So this morning I got up really early, and well, early, like 5:30, and realized that maybe there's a chance that I could take these three beams, there's three 6x12 beams that are 20 feet long. I made a little mistake on my Excel spreadsheet. When I did a copy paste, I forgot to change 6x12 to 6x8. So these big beams are supposed to be headers for my doors and windows, and unfortunately, they're the wrong wood. So I called them and they said that I could bring them back, but I realized this morning they're too heavy for me to pick up myself. So I have to come up with an alternative plan. Anyway, that's it for today. Still a lot of sawdust to clean up, but it's getting late. It's a Thursday night. I'm ready to shower and be done.